So here we are, we're showing you some more of the vehicles. These are all Chip Foose vehicles. I hope you appreciate Chip taking just a moment to talk with everyone. This is a big old area and they've spread it all out. And these are only Chip Foose vehicles. It's very rare that you get to see a collection like this all together, all different types. And oh my gosh, look at this one here. These are all ones that Chip Foose has done, that he has designed, that he has built. Y'all probably seen some of these on Overhauling. This is almost once in a lifetime experience to be able to see these vehicles, and especially to have Chip Foose talk with us. So I hope this other video of him goes viral. Chip inviting you down to see. Now this is a trade industry. This is SEMA, North Hall. So if y'all are out at SEMA this week, come on by. Chip is the nicest guy, really. And right before we did the video with him, he was actually talking to Courtney Hanson, and she's coming over and telling her where he was so she could come find him. And as you look around the room, y'all will see just all of the vehicles, pictures, renderings, drawings. This is what he starts with, and then he builds them. As always, I appreciate you watching.